today we talk about how can you set alert volume on your Amazon Shopping app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find the reminders. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on set alert volume. And here can you add here link Alex Davis here in this list to add volume here. You select which device you would like to set up. If you want to add Amazon Echo or lights or plug or TV or camera, can you select here. So and here can you search for your type of your brand. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.